Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Subaru BRZ versus Toyota GR86. We'll explore their similarities and subtle distinctions to help you decide which sports coupe best suits your driving style. Both vehicles offer an exhilarating rear-wheel drive experience, but their unique characteristics cater to slightly different preferences. Let's dive into the details of their performance, handling, and interior features to uncover the ideal choice for you. When it comes to performance, both the BRZ and GR86 deliver an engaging driving experience. The BRZ's suspension is tuned for a more compliant ride, making it a bit more comfortable for everyday commutes. In contrast, the GR86 features a stiffer suspension, providing sharper turn-in and a more aggressive feel on the track. Despite these differences, both cars share the same powerful engine, ensuring thrilling acceleration and responsive handling for any enthusiast. Inside, both the BRZ and GR86 offer a driver-focused cockpit designed for an immersive experience. You'll find an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration in both. The digital gauge cluster provides clear, customizable information, keeping you informed without distraction. While the overall layout and material quality are quite similar, subtle trim differences might appeal to individual tastes. Both prioritize functionality and a connected feel for the driver. Ultimately, deciding between the BRZ and GR86 comes down to your personal driving priorities. If you prefer a slightly more comfortable ride for daily use while still enjoying spirited driving, the BRZ is an excellent choice. However, if you prioritize a stiffer, more track-focused feel and sharper handling, the GR86 might be your perfect match. Both cars offer incredible value and driving pleasure. Also, make sure to check the description for a link to those amazing leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Whichever you choose, you're getting a fantastic sports car.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.